Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आणि शेतान आमी 2 पिकां काडटाले प्लस आमी वयर केळमे मागीर भाजीपालो कांदो मिरसांग हे बी घालताले आनी इतले वर्सां हे चालू आसलें. आनी आज जें कितें घडलां हांगा आमच्या मानशेर जर पळयत जाल्यार 3 दारां काडल्या आनी त्या 3 दारांतल्यान घसा करून उदक भितर येता आनी तें उदक हे पळय आमी जे आसा ते आमची शेताची बाउंड्री ह्या बाउंड्री पर्यंत पावलां इतलें उदक आनी मदीं सामकें हें जालां एक समुद्र कसो जाल्लो आसा घेना आनी आमकां कोण रिस्पॉन्स दिना. मागीर आमी कंप्लेंट दिली आमच्या MLAक दिली, मामलेदाराक दिली, डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक दिली, मागीर तुजी पंचायताक दिली, डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायताक दिली, अशें सगळ्यांक आमी दिल्यो. पूण आज 15-20 दीस जावन गेले कोणूच आमची एक्शन घेयना आनी कोणूच आमकां लागीं घेयना. सगळे सांगता येस आमी घेता एक्शन, आमी पळयता हेच आमकां रिप्लाय. हेच्या पलीकडे आमकां आनी कांयच मेळना.
गोंयकारांक किपींग आमचे इगो आमचे प्रायड सगळे भायर दवरून आमी सगळे एक जावंक जाय आनी हे सगळे MLAक चॅलेंज करून न्यू गव्हर्मेंट हाडपाचो आनी गोंयकारांक जाय तें जातलें. आनी ह्या पासत आमी गोंयच्या राखणदार आतां पॉलिटिकल पार्टी रजिस्ट्रेशनाक वेता जातली आनी सगळ्यांक न्हिदयतले. दॅट इज माय एश्युरन्स एज वन ऑफ द मेंबर्स ऑफ गोंयचा राखणदार.
Citizens, we do not come under any faction or banner or political patronage. The very fact a handful of us who are bothered came, there were, for one person, there were almost 50 to 100 policemen. They stopped many people who wanted to come pan Goa at the Nakabandi, whatever was done. And we are convinced, because we came here to make an appeal to the deaf and dumb government, at least to see our action. And we physically came to the MPT gate, to the gate, to tell them this is what we are against. Please do not kill Goans. Please do not kill Goans. Goans are bothered. That's why we came. We are unarmed. We are peaceful. We are tolerant. That doesn't mean you bury us with a phone.
ताचो फायदो कोण खाता? गोंयकारांक कांयच फायदो ना भितर, कांयच फायदो ना. आनी आमच्या कडेन एविडंट प्रूफ आसा, सगळें आसा इन ब्लॅक एंड व्हायट आनी RTI. पूण गव्हर्मेंट इज इन्सिस्टींग. नाव इज अ गव्हर्मेंट कोण हेल्प करूंक सोदता? एक 2-3 बोकडे आहात ते अदानी, अंबानी आनी बिदांदा कोण ते.
What are we doing right now? We are using our mental faculties. I'm using the faculty of speech, of language, of memory, of experience. You are using attention. If you have to be attentive to me, you're using attention, you're using perception, you're using reasoning, you're going back into your memories and associating your memories with what I'm saying. There's so many mental processes which we are using right now. And if we do not use these processes in a good way, in an adequate way, we will not be successful.
If you get angry, count till 10. After 10, see how angry you are. Sometimes that anger is just that split of a second and it passes off. Then forget it. Don't waste your energy at saying something back to that person or doing anything violent to that person, because 10 seconds or 10 counts and it's gone.